Numpy, how to check if array contains certain numbers. For example, I have A equals np.array, 123, 412, 444. And B equals np.array, 123, 321. I want to know if it contains all the elements in B. Is there a simple operation for this? In this case, that would not be true.
You can use set difference to determine what you are looking for. Numpy has a built-in function called numpy.setdiff1d AR1 AR2. Return the sorted unique values in AR1 that are not in AR2. Example for your case. So for your case, you would do a set difference. You would subtract A from B and obtain an array with elements in B which are not in A. Then you can check if that was empty or not. As you can see, the output is 312, which is an entry present in A but not in B. The length of it is now larger than 0. Therefore, there were elements in B which were not present in A.
That means you want to check if each element of B is contained in A. In 1D does that. Update from 2021, nowadays np.ison is recommended.
You could always use a set. Or with newer versions of Numpy. If you want just the answer rather than an array. Or, least desirable. Looping is slowish on Numpy arrays and should be avoided.